Dependable Glass offers custom residential and commercial glass services in Phoenix, Gilbert, Tempe, Mesa, and the surrounding communities. Our team is committed to using our decades of experience to provide superior service to our friends and neighbors. No matter what your glass needs entail, Dependable Glass can help. We're proud to be your source for beautiful shower enclosures, shower doors, glass repair, glass replacement, large commercial storefronts and doors, new windows and window replacement, patio door glass, wall mirrors, bathroom mirrors, custom glass cutting, and so much more. As a licensed, bonded, and insured glass and glazing contractor that holds an A+ rating with the BBB, you can rest easy knowing your needs will be handled with grace and care. Our team would be honored to work with you on your next project. We encourage you to stop by our showroom or give us a call or visit our website to learn more about our extensive glass services in Phoenix and the surrounding areas. Dependable Glass, there when you need us.